Now question number 4 is y is less than negative 4x plus 4. This sign is for less than. So y is less than negative 4x plus 4. If you are doing equality, so y is equal to negative 4x plus 4. So that is equality, but here this is inequality. Y is less than negative 4x plus 4. Which point xy is a solution to the given inequality in the xy plane? That means if you give these values to x or x and y, for example, if you put x as 2 and y as negative 1, it should satisfy this inequality. So we have to check the option, which option is satisfying this inequality. But before that, let's understand one concept of number line. 0. How we write the numbers on the number line? 0. Let's say this is 1, 2. So we go to right hand side and write the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And if these are negatives, on the negative numbers, we move in the left hand side and start in the opposite direction like this. Correct? Now there is a rule. If the number is on the right hand side on the number line, it will always be greater. Suppose if I am saying negative 1, negative 3 and negative 1. Because negative 1 is on the right hand side of negative 3, so it's greater. Correct? Now 1 and 3, because 3 is on the right hand side, so it's greater than 1. So negative numbers are like opposite. Negative 3 is less than negative 1. So we check this way which number is greater and which is smaller. Concept. Now let's come to the question. Our A option is 2 and negative 1. And what is our inequality? Negative 4x plus 4. It should satisfy this. So let's plug x as 2 and y as negative 1. Negative 1, let's say it's right or wrong. Negative 4 times 2 plus 4. So negative 1 is less than negative 8 plus 4. Negative 1 is less than negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. Now negative 4 is here and negative 1 is on the right hand side. So that means negative 1 is greater than negative 4, but it is not showing us the opposite. So A coordinate is not satisfying this inequality. Now let's check for B. So B is 2 and 1. Our equation is y is less than negative 4x plus 4. So 1y is 1 is less than negative 4 times 2 plus 4. 1 is less than negative 8 plus 4. 1 is less than negative 4. No. 1 is a positive number and it's a negative number. So 1 is greater than negative 4. So again this inequality is not satisfied. That means option B is also deleted. Now let's come to option C. C is 0 and 5. So we have to plug it here in this equation. Now x is 0 and y is 5. So let's place it here. 5 is less than negative 4 times 0 plus 4. 5 is less than, any number multiplied by 4 is always 0. So multiplied by any number it's 0, and if it is added to any number, definitely it does not make any difference. 5 is less than 4. Again 5 is greater than 4, not less than 4. So this option here also it's not satisfying. So third is also crossed. Definitely only one option left, so that is going to be the right answer, but best way is also always to solve it. So let's see our D option. Okay, so this is negative 4 and 0. Our equation is y is less than negative 4x plus 4. Now y is 0 is less than negative 4 times negative 4 plus 4. So 0 is less than. Now when two negative numbers are multiplied, result is always positive. 16 plus 4. So 0 is less than 16 plus 4 is 20. Yes, 0 is less than 20. So this negative 4, 0 is satisfying this inequality. That means D is the right option. So what concept you have to apply? First of all, you have to see on the number line. Whatever number is on the right hand side is always greater, and whatever is on the left hand side is always smaller. So we will just have to plug in the values in the given inequality and check if it is satisfying it or not. If not, that option is incorrect. But if yes, so yes, D is the correct option. Okay.